Okay, we're going to look at surface area. Just a reminder that a prism is a solid object with a uniform, that's an unchanging cross section, and all sides are flat. So for example, all these shapes here, if I take a slice through them, in this case if I take a horizontal slice through them, the shapes are going to have a uniform cross section. They're all prisms. Again, here's another prism that's like our Toblerone. If I take a vertical slice down, it's going to look the same. That is a prism. We've got a rectangular prism here, and we're asked to find the surface area. The total surface area of a solid is the sum of the areas of all the faces. So in this rectangular prism, we have got, to find our total surface area, we have got a top and a bottom, and they're the same. So let's call that two bottoms, if you like, because the tops and the bottoms are the same. We have, and I call this face here, we have a front and a back that's the same. So two sides that are the same. And then this end and the back end here are also the same. So we have two ends are the same. So if we find out the areas for those 6 sides, add them all together, we get the total surface area. So just go back and take off my squiggle so I can see it a bit better. Okay, so let's look at our base. It's a rectangle. So we've got 2 lots of length times width, and the length of that rectangle is 5 and the width of the rectangle is 3. So that's what we do for our bottom and top, if you like. So our bottom and top, that's it there. Okay, our sides, our front and our back, also 2 rectangles. And our front and our back, our length is 5 and our width, so 5 and our width is 8. So that there accounts for another 2 sides, the front and the back. And then if we look at the 2 ends, these 2 ends here, so here and up here, they are also 2 rectangles. And for those rectangles, it's 3 by 8, length by width. So that there accounts for our final 2 faces. So we've got a total of 6 faces there. So for our total surface area, if we say that's 2 lots of 15, plus 2 lots of 40, plus 2 lots of 24, 2 lots of 15 is 30, 2 lots of 40 is 80, 2 lots of 24 is 48. If we add all those together, the total surface area of this rectangular prism is 158 centimetres squared. So for surface area, we are making sure that we sum up the area of all the faces. So in this case, there were 6 faces, 2, 4, 6. We find the area of each of those faces, add them together to give us our total surface area.